Much easier to handle and maneuver than your traditional steel floor jack, the Torin Big Red Low Profile Floor Jack provides plenty of lifting capability. The racing style floor jack is constructed of steel and high strength aluminum to make transporting and handling the jack much easier. The jack still offers a 3,000 pound capacity and lift range of 3.5 to 14 inches. The large rubber saddle prevents scratching and damage to your vehicle, plus the wide, single roller front track provides stability and smooth maneuvering around your garage. The two-piece handle of the jack can be quickly removed and installed for easy transport. A built-in side handle makes handling and transporting the jack easier too. The handle is also equipped with foam padding to cushion against your vehicle in case of contact while lifting or lowering. Use the floor jack like you would a traditional floor jack model. The low-profile design is ideal for lowered vehicles, but it can be used on any vehicle that meets the weight capacity. Make sure to use chocks on the rear tires and jack stands when working on your vehicle for safety. Place the floor jack under a stable position along the vehicle's frame and begin to lift. The low-profile jack will begin to raise the vehicle. When it's time to lower the vehicle, slowly rotate the handle until the floor jack begins to lower. Please follow the instructions included with the jack for optimal performance and safety. For quick and easy floor jack service in your garage, check out the Torin Big Red Low Profile Floor Jack.